Hello and welcome to WPHostee. Our enthusiastic team is dedicated to providing top-notch WordPress hosting services while also specializing in WordPress development. We're here to turn your web dreams into reality. Whether it's a charming blog, a thriving business site, or an engaging e-commerce platform, let's create something extraordinary together. Why choose WPHostee? Because we genuinely care. We don't just build your website, we empower you with bespoke video tutorials to help you navigate the WordPress control panel with ease. Our mission is to ensure you feel confident managing your site long after we've launched it. Together, we'll bring your vision to life. In today's world, having a website is crucial. It serves as your digital front door and creates the first impression for many potential customers. At WPHostee, we understand how important it is to have a strong online presence, and we're excited to help you create a WordPress site that truly stands out. When we build your WordPress site, we focus on every detail. Our team thoroughly researches your competition before we even start coding. We believe great ideas come from collaboration, so we brainstorm together to ensure your site not only meets expectations but exceeds them. Success isn't just about what you accomplish, but how you inspire others along the way. Let us help you inspire with a remarkable website. Our team continually discusses and explores the best strategies to develop your site. We want to ensure you not only keep up with your competition, but stay one step ahead. Together, we'll find the best route to make your online presence truly shine. We truly value every customer at WPHostee, regardless of your budget or project size. Our goal is to discover creative solutions that save you time and money while tackling any challenges you encounter. Think of us as your partners on this journey. Your success is our success. Remember, we're more than just a WordPress hosting platform in the UK. At WPHostee, we're all about building beautiful websites, effective SEO, and impactful online marketing strategies. We stay up to date with the latest trends to ensure your business shines bright. Plus, we offer top-tier domains and hosting plans tailored for every business need. Thank you for considering WPHostee. We can't wait to help you kickstart your online journey. For any questions or to get started, please drop us an email at contact@wphostee.com or visit our website at wphostee.uk. Remember, dream big, work hard, and let us handle the rest.